You can use the save all command to save all open files in VS Code. Here, for example, I have 3 dirty files open, which means that I've edited them in VS Code but haven't saved them back to the disk. That's indicated by the little circle over here in the titles. I can use the save all command to quickly save all of these files, and there are a few different ways to trigger that command. One, I could actually go up to the Files menu here and say Save All. I could also use the command palette, of course, so I could say Save All. Or I can use the key binding. So the key binding on Mac is cmd+option+s for Save All. On Windows, it's actually a key chord where you would press ctrl+k and then the S key after that. So it's a key chord for that where you'd press the ctrl+k first and then the S key after that. So let me just trigger Save All here on Mac, again using cmd+option+s. And you can see now I've actually saved all these files and there's no longer a little dirty indicator for them. I find this is especially useful when you have focus on another file and you then notice that you want to save one over here, for example, and just want to make sure that everything is saved to disk properly. So now I can just trigger Save All, even though this file is not dirty, and it'll go and save the other file as well. So that is the Save All command.